Now I am at teacher.desmos.com. This is where I go to make these activities, these sketching activities. So what you'll need to do, again, my page is going to look different than your page because I have just more things on mine because I've done more things with it. On the left-hand side, there'll be a link that says custom. I click on custom. And then up on the upper right corner, it says new activity. And you want to create a new activity. And I will just call this my sketch thing. I will create a new activity. So you can put as many sketch components as you would like in this activity. So for example, here is all of the things that you can add. You probably want to use this one, the sketch component. And if I go to the preview button, this is what it looks like from a student's point of view. And so I can draw, I can use a line, I can type text, I can type math. So there's a lot of things I can do and I can quickly erase it. So that's what it would look like as a student. If I want to, I can click on these three dots right here and I can duplicate that screen and I can have a whole bunch of those things quickly. So I could have kids, the teacher dashboard is the coolest thing about Desmos. So that's something I probably could sit down with you and walk you through. But that is how I get a sketch component in here. There's a bunch of other things you're going to want to try to use. Multiple choice questions, check boxes, ordered lists if you want to put things in order. The card sort is fantastic. That would only work on a full screen page, and I've already got something on this, so I can't use it right now. But that's something I can show you. What's nice about this sketch component, I can put something in a background like a custom image or even a graph. I don't know if you're messing with graphs in 5th grade, but I can certainly put some sort of an image. So I could put a Venn diagram in there and I could have kids do things with Venn diagrams. And when I'm ready, I publish this, hitting on the green button in the upper right-hand corner. And then I just need to get this to my kids. So to get this to my kids, I go to the assign. And what I typically do is I could integrate this with Google Classroom, but I'm going to actually go down and do a single session code. And depending how long you want it, maybe you want to be active for 2 weeks. The kids can still go back to it, but no kids will be able to join it after 2 weeks. And I'll create my invitation code. And the invitation code is found, I think, best found on the View dashboard. When I go to the View dashboard, this is where all the kids will show up at. So I will copy that. And I just need to get that link to my kids. And so what it looks like, when I paste this up here in the link, the students will be prompted to either sign in with their Gmail or just enter a name, like in GeoGebra. I'm just going to enter my name. And then I could, for example, sketch something on the screen, or I could put text on the screen. And just like in GeoGebra, if you went back to the teacher dashboard, you can see my name up here. And if I click up there, you can see what I've done. And if you click on my screen, you can see what I've done. So I can still track what students are doing. If I had my druthers, I think Desmos has some better features, but GeoGebra is pretty good too. So we'll talk more next week.